How y'all doing, everybody? Hope y'all had a great day, because I sure did. Even though I got my truck stuck, you'll see why. The whole thing is, I made the video and I didn't have time to really make the video. You'll also see why. But yeah, I just trying to come in here like for the beginning of the video to let y'all know I was hunting. It was about 3:30. Just got in the stand. Sit down, and I'm talking about I was adjusting the GoPro to make it fit on the gun, and I'm talking about as soon as I got it fitted, this happens. Oh my God. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Oh, she's down. Oh my God, I fucking got her. Holy shit. Hey guys, just got down from the stand. Muzzle Loader GoPro. I just smoked us a doe. Well, let's hope so. I'm gonna go see. It was like a 30-yard shot, maybe. Not even. I just sat down. I'm talking about just. I wouldn't even stand 12 seconds. Came down. She was standing. I beat the tree. I hope I didn't hit the tree. That'd be actually pretty sad. I don't know. I smell it. Now I gotta find out where she was standing. Anyway, I got it on the GoPro, so don't y'all worry about that. She took off raising hell. This is a very hot trail that she likes to come down right here. So she came up. I'm gonna follow the trail. I'm shaking. Son, I'm shaking. Anyway. Comes up here. I thought she stopped right here. God, I hope I didn't hit that tree, because I don't see nothing. But maybe she was more down than I thought. She'd be right here. I'll let y'all know when I find something. Wanted to give y'all a little update. Alright, so the whole rundown, I'm going back and get my gun right now, but whole rundown. So get here, set up in the stand, and I mean, I'm talking about not even like 30 seconds I'm in this stand. She walks out. I'm like, okay. Turn the GoPro on, wait a second. I zoom in on, load up my sights and whatever. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait until she starts coming and get a better shot on her. And I had a good shot already, but it's a front shot, like right here. I set up at the side. Well, she sees me. I'm like, okay. She stomped her foot in the ground. Well, my thinking is she's about to run. So I just pulled the trigger on her. She ran about maybe 50 yards. Max, 50 yards. Got the gun, by the way. So, what I say is, great deer hunt today. It was fun, even though it didn't last that long, but it was fun. Got the truck stuck, but then I got it unstuck. And it's hard dragging a dang deer out, because I am freed from a broken ankle, and it's still sprained, so it makes it worse. So I'll let y'all know when I'm unloading it, putting it in the, I'll let you know when I'm there at the processor, dropping it off and everything. I think it'll be back in a little bit. Can't drop the deer off here. Had to go to another one. Anyway, that'll look good for a thumbnail. Alright, off to the other. Meet y'all when I'm there. That'll do it for the old deer hunt. Wasn't that bad, honestly. Well, I mean, my ankle hurt a little bit. I just got out of the ankle break and whatnot. Deer totaled 118 pounds. Like, when it was live, maybe 95, you know. That bullet, I'm using a hollow point. It's a big round that it's coming out of this gun. 100 grain, hollow point, 50 cal. And it pushed. It blew everything, as you seen in the video, blew everything. But y'all stay tuned. I'll be publishing more videos and whatnot whenever I can and whenever good stuff like this pops up. So thank y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one.